Ciao beautiful people, welcome back on the desk. Happy Friday. Hope you guys are having a fabulous week, and are you ready for a cracking weekend? What's the plan for the weekend? Let me know in the comment down below. I'm off work, so it's crafty time for me. Happy days. Love crafty time. Guys, today, as I promised, I'm giving you a very special freebie. On Wednesday, I've showcased this journal here. So I did a completely flip through, and this journal is actually on sale. Okay, so if you wish to purchase, just follow the link on the down below. Now, I'm not sure if it's still available by the time you're watching this video, but if it is, just click it and you can purchase it. And at the end of the video, I will put the link of this video here so you can see. I hope you get quite a lot of these ideas and inspiration when I did a complete flip through. So today, the freebie, as I promised on that video, is part of the Blue Butterfly workshop. So it's a workshop that shows you how to put together this journal. So on the video, it's literally a step-by-step. I'll show you how to prepare the pages, how to get the signatures sewn on the back, and I'll show you also how to get this clean look. Okay, because I do like clean looks on my journal. So, and also on the workshop, you get my junk journal ebook completely for free, and also 4 digital paper packs. Yes, exactly. Wow. So anyway, so part of those papers is this page here. Okay, it's a beautiful background of gold and blue. Okay, literally matches the journal. I have used this page on the journal as well. So how do you get this freebie? Every Friday, sometime on a Wednesday, I send out an email with just some like crafty chit chats, and I will put the email newsletter here on the screen so you guys can see what it looks like. There are the recap of the videos of the week in case you guys missed any. There are the papers of the week. There is also a cheeky discount code and just literally just some chit chats and crafty news. And also you can get this from my Facebook group. Let me show you where. Okay guys, so this is my Facebook group. So once you're in, you scroll down, so you see all the posts from the lovely crafters. So this is post from Wendy that made a folio using some of my papers. That's my post about the Easter kit. Again, there's loads and loads of creators that, oh, this is Julia, that she recently joined my VIP membership. Thank you, Julia. Again, all other crafters, they share the video tutorials, and of course all my freebie. Okay, so it's a very interactive platform. I really recommend, if you guys are on Facebook, to join us, because you get tons and tons of ideas. So where do you find your my freebie? So if you click on files there, you see all the freebies that I have shared in date order. Okay, so from the most recent to the most old ones, and there is about 3 years worth of freebies. So come and join us there, and what you do is simply click in there and then download. Okay, so also let me just show you on the website where to find the workshop in case you guys want to purchase it. Right, that's it for today, guys. Don't forget to join my Facebook group so you can download this freebie and all the previous freebies for the last 3 years. And also don't forget to check out my workshop so you can make these fabulous journals with me. Okay, thank you so much for watching, guys. Give it a thumbs up if you like these videos, if you like my freebies, because you're telling YouTube that my freebies are fabulous. And I am too. Honestly, guys, thank you so much for watching. Have a fabulous weekend, and until Monday, stay safe and well. Bye. Oopsie, I moved the camera with my kiss. It wasn't intentional. I'm sorry. Bye.